One of the most important lessons we've learned from overseas is the need to go hard and go early and stamp out flare-ups to avoid the risk of wider outbreak. As disruptive as it is, a strong and rapid health response remains the best long-term economic response. In line with our precautionary approach, we will be asking Aucklanders to take swift action with us. As of 12 noon tomorrow, Wednesday, August 12th, we will be moving Auckland to level 3 restrictions for a period of 3 days until midnight on Friday. These 3 days will give us time to assess the situation, gather information, make sure we have widespread contact tracing so we can find out more about how this case arose and make decisions on how to respond to it once we have further information. Let me set out what that means for Aucklanders and the rest of New Zealand. We are asking people in Auckland to stay home to stop the spread. This means doing the simple things that you will already be familiar with to prevent picking up the virus or passing it on to others. First, act as if you have COVID and as if the people around you have COVID. At level 3, you're asked to stay at home in your bubble, other than for essential movements such as going to the supermarket or local recreation. If you are in Auckland, you must work from home unless you are an essential service worker. All schools and childcare facilities in Auckland are closed as of tomorrow morning, except for the children of essential service workers. And those who are involved will remember that at level 3 we allow you to access schools and early childhood for a level 3 for essential service workers only. All public facilities, bars, restaurants and businesses must close by midday tomorrow. Gatherings of more than 10 people in Auckland again will be restricted and are restricted again for funerals, tangihanga and wedding services only. In the rest of the country, gatherings, of course, though, I'll outline in further detail momentarily. Travelling into Auckland is prohibited unless you normally reside there and are travelling home. If you are currently in Auckland but do not normally reside there, you also can leave to go home. But we are asking you to be very conscious of your health, and if you begin to display any symptoms, please get tested. We are defining the area covered as Auckland and covered by level 3 restrictions as the geographic boundary of the Auckland supercity, which extends from Wellsford in the north to Pukekohe in the south. Police will be issuing further guidance on parameters, including roadblock use, first thing in the morning. As you will recall, all key services, supermarkets, pharmacies, medical centres, they do remain open. So food and supplies will continue to be readily available. Food delivery is also available, as you recall, at level 3. Please do not rush to the supermarket tonight. You'll recall, as when we were in level 3 on a last occasion, supermarkets will be open. There will be ample stock on the shelves. There is no reason to go out and make any purchases this evening. If you operated as an essential service under level 4 and level 3 last time, then those are the settings we revert to at level 3 again. If in doubt, stay at home tomorrow until you have clarity from your employer.